To get paid to type, all you need is a laptop, a set of ready fingers, and comfortable working space. However, some typing jobs may have additional prerequisites. Are you ready to earn money by typing? I have compiled a list of different types of typing jobs and detailed descriptions of each to help you figure out what might work for you. You can get paid to type online with some of these jobs and start working right away. You may have to wait a little longer for others. Overall, each of them is deserving of your attention. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. How much money can I make if I work as a typer? You may have come across the term typing jobs several times and wondered how much money you could make from them. Then you have come to the right place. You don't need much to make money typing as long as you have a computer and access to high-speed internet. To get started on most typing jobs, you don't require any special training. The majority of the work entails transcribing words from an audio recording and conducting research to ensure that you catch the relevant technical phrases. Typing jobs provide a lot of flexibility for stay-at-home parents. It is all up to your typing speed to fulfill deadlines, whether you like to work during the day or at night when everyone is asleep. You can make this a full-time or part-time job if you have a lot of experience. Small data entry activities such as inputting figures pay $12.92 per hour, while expert-level labor such as subtitling pays over $50,000 per year. The first typing job on the list is typing CAPTCHAs for money. Before we go into how to make money by typing CAPTCHAs, let us define CAPTCHA. You have probably come across websites that ask you to verify that you are not a robot when perusing the web. CAPTCHA is the name for this type of verification. It prevents bots or automated applications from accessing the site. Images, sounds, letters, math, and 3D CAPTCHAs are all available. This type of verification is used as part of the sign-up procedure on websites. Software may be used by companies who need to sign up for thousands of websites to expedite the process. CAPTCHAs, on the other hand, can only be solved by humans, not by technology. This is where you are compensated for typing. When the sign-up software or the customer encounters these problems, they send them to you for assistance. Because CAPTCHA solving necessitates speed, accuracy, and availability, you should type the characters as they appear and submit them back. Here are the best sites to join if you want to get paid to type online as a CAPTCHA solver. Mega typers pay $0.45 to $1.5 for 1,000 word image solutions. Workers on the site are typically paid $250 per month. Fast typers pay $1.5 for 1,000 answers. The rate, on the other hand, rises at night. CAPTCHA typers offers $0.45 to $1.5 every 1,000 CAPTCHAs. With Coloti Bablo, you may earn $0.35 to $1 for 1,000 CAPTCHAs. You can make up to $200 each month by working 4 to 6 hours every day. You must pass an evaluation test to become a virtual bee, following which you might earn $0.35 to $1 for every 1,000 keystrokes. Have you ever been watching a popular television show while reading the dialogue on the screen? This can be subtitles or captions, and you can be compensated for typing them. Wow, that sounds fascinating, doesn't it? In truth, the transcription profession pays well. Whether it's for subtitled films or captions, you can get compensated for typewritten words. Consider watching your favorite Spanish soap opera with English subtitles. Captions are in the same language as the dialogue, whereas subtitles are a translation of the dialogue into another language. To earn money typing subtitles, you must be fluent in both the languages spoken in the video and the languages being translated. Furthermore, typing speed and accuracy are important factors in determining how much money you make. The job also necessitates excellent listening skills and patience, as you may need to repeat some sentences several times to fully comprehend them. Some platforms may demand some type of training or expertise, while others will accept newcomers after passing an introductory test. You can get paid to conduct transcription work on a variety of sites, including the following websites. Rev is one of the most popular transcribing platforms. Payment is made through PayPal with rates ranging from $1.50 to $3 per minute depending on the language. Upwork allows you to bid on jobs and communicate with clients through the site. Because you negotiate the terms based on the client's budget or your rate, there is no set pay. Captioning using GoTranscript starts at $1 per minute. Subtitling, on the other hand, might cost anywhere from $7 to $10 each minute. For creating subtitles for movies and TV shows, Hollywood Transcriptions will pay you $16 per hour. You can also get paid for typing fast. What is your typing speed? I'm curious if I can get compensated for typing quickly. A person can type 40 words per minute on average. This equates to approximately 200 characters per minute. You must, however, be an above-average typist to get paid to type at home. A professional typist basically types typically 65 and 75 words per minute. Your possibilities become limitless at such a rate. You could type live speeches at conferences, lectures, online classrooms, sermons, seminars, court procedures, debates, and other speech-to-text typing jobs, for example. Marketing yourself as an online note-taker is a great place to start. Students, particularly postgraduates, doctoral students, and students with disabilities are likely to seek your assistance. Working online as a live off-site typist is difficult to come by, and you will need a platform to show off your skills first. Begin by registering for one of the following. With an experience in data entry, you can acquire a good-paying job as an off-site typist on the Indeed website. You can earn up to $20 per hour through the internet, depending on your track record. For online job hunters, Glassdoor is a must-have. On the platform, you may find quick typing job postings and bid directly to the advertising business. Get paid to type documents that have been scanned. Scanning papers, also known as document imaging, requires transforming a photograph of the document into a basic digital file. This increases the document's production and improves the information it contains. These jobs come in a variety of shapes and sizes, ranging from typing captchas to numbers and everything in between. When it comes to typing scanned documents, the most common file types you'll encounter are PDFs, JPEGs, PNGs, and TIFFs. Because PDFs and TIFFs are virtually uneditable, they are the most dependable file types. You'll get paid per project, like with most typing tasks. The most effective strategy to increase your earnings is to ensure that you are both quick and accurate. The text should be exactly as it is, including typos and misspellings, much like handwritten manuscripts. It is relatively simple to type scanned papers. In truth, not all pages are full text. Some have pictures and vast blank pages. Action Data Entry, a Pittsburgh-based company with an A+ BBB rating, is a prominent website that offers such jobs. Try inputting names if you are searching for a really simple passive income approach. It is all about coming up with and selling unique business names that appeal to the target market. There are not many companies that provide this service, but I did find Squad Help after doing some research. Since 2011, the organization has grown to include an incredible community of over 70,000 freelance naming specialists. They assist you to come up with an excellent business name by combining crowdsourcing and agency-level validation services. Businesses and entrepreneurs can use Squad Help to buy and sell logos, names, and branding produced by freelancers. Entrepreneurs can not only buy names directly on the Squad Help marketplace, but they can also hold contests for freelancers to enter. Contests can last anywhere from 1 to 7 days, according to the firm. This will also allow enough time for creatives to submit their entries and discuss them. Clients can also pay for Squad Help validation services, which extend the process by a few days. Payoneer and PayPal are used to pay creatives. Anyone can apply to work as a freelancer if they pass a quality scoring test. You can also get money by just inputting phrases without having to be innovative. A customer may require you to type text from scanned documents into various electronic forms, in addition to inputting words for CAPTCHA and article writing projects. Another way to detect the occupations is as data entry positions, which typically do not pay well. However, they are consistent, and if you have a strong track record, you could end yourself working for the same company for a long period. Your speed, however, must match that of a long-term working relationship or be close to that of a professional secretary or transcriptionist, which is above 50 words per minute. Data Plus primarily serves business and government clients. As a result, their jobs are frequently confidential and their hiring standards are stringent. You must be able to type at least 60 words per minute to work for Dian Data Solution. They provide training and solely hire freelancers from the United States. One of the platforms that beginners use is iWriter. There are many different types of word typing jobs available, including custom jobs. Top earners can earn up to $0.16 per word, with hourly rates ranging from $4 to $11. This video shows you how to get paid to type and how to get started right now. As you can see, some jobs pay significantly more than others due to a variety of circumstances. Don't be scared to start small and work your way up if you are just getting started. If you have been doing it for a while, consider switching to a different area that can help you improve your performance or upgrade your services to earn more money in your sector. It is also fine to accomplish multiple of these projects at once, as long as you can manage your time well enough to satisfy your customers. Finally, when you obtain a client, make the most of it to increase the chances of repeat business or even a reference. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.